November 15th, 2019. We're looking at Sirius, the star Sirius, S-I-R-I-U-S. My wife pointed out to me it looked like a plane that was staying stationary in the sky with all the blinking lights. So I looked it up, saw it was Sirius, and man, it's definitely doing some wild stuff. So let's zoom in some. I'm going to adjust it just a little bit. I'm also going to refocus. That's absolutely beautiful, dude. Look at that. There also seems to be another object to the upper right. So let's go ahead and zoom all the way in. We do have an object to the upper right. Guys, I got plenty more zoom. So we do have very slight drift, but that's something I can correct. Let's try to refocus for those smaller objects. Look at that. We got it in there. Once again, Sirius. The reason it was taking, I wanted to do the skyalign so it would stay in frame without me having to do much. I did too, and I started to think I saw it moving, and then I was like, no, she's right. It's not moving at all. Come here, babe. I'll dot thing now. A little bit better, I guess, on the northwest side or northeast side. Pretty neat, huh? That's all the zoom on my phone. Let's go in with I got more zoom still, but look at how wild is that, huh? You're gonna make me do all that and you're gonna go right back in? I'll put another sweater on and everything. Okay, this is gonna be max zoom, which is 8mm on the eyepiece and 4x zoom on the phone. I'm using a Celestron Nexstar 8SE and an LG Aristo 3 16-megapixel smartphone camera. Sorry guys, it's gonna be shaky just for a second. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Unbelievable. That's me moving it. Gotta try to get it tracked. Seems to be doing pretty well. Just for some context, as to how far this thing is, let's go back and zoom all the way out. just that little thing, man. Oh god, it's like dancing like red and blue and green and everything. It's fucking amazing. Absolutely amazing. You can go out and see this with the naked eye. I'm facing the southeast, directly southeast, from the horizon. You're looking at Sirius, which is about 18 to 20 degrees above the horizon currently, and it's about 11:25 p.m. So I would suggest tomorrow night or every other night, just look in that general area. Let's go back in for some zoom. We'll go 4 times on the phone. I need to refocus. Okay. This is just simply amazing. It's a free show, guys. I mean, what else could you ask for? Okay, we'll let that ride. And remember, we are focused. You can see by that little object to the northeast of Sirius that though there's atmospherics and the light's bouncing around, you can still see that it's pretty well in focus. I mean, we could probably do a little better now that I'm mentioning it, but let's go ahead and move up. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and zoom in. Wow. So looking at it like this, you can actually see there's like, I don't want to call it ripples, but there's like, it's just a weird looking like section of lines on top of Sirius. That could just be from reflection. Absolutely beautiful. Like I said, guys, it's a free show up in our sky each and every night. Well, weather permitting. Today's the first time I've had a clear sky in 5 days. But yeah, shout out to my wife for pointing this out, man. I was trying to look at the moon, and it's behind a bunch of trees still right now, because I got some really tall trees. And so I was like, this would definitely be good to fill in the time. Let me see if I got max zoom up on this. Okay, that's max zoom on everything I got. 8mm on the eyepiece, 4 times zoom on the phone. I'm gonna do a quick thing. What you're gonna see there is that's out of focus. Looks cool, but that's out of focus. We're gonna go the other direction. Okay, that's out of focus. Just showing you differences so no one thinks I'm just like showing a real super out of focus image. Could it be better. Yeah, possibly. That's pretty good. Just readjusting. And we'll zoom back out some. Just amazing. That light show, man. That seems to be a glare on the camera. Yeah, it is. The light that's moving is nothing but a glare on the camera. I cannot make this catch up. There we go. But the object to the northeast that we've been seeing is in fact something. The object furthest north is just camera glare. South Texas in the 30s. Alright, we're gonna zoom back out. Zoom out just some on this. It's crazy that it's bouncing light off of everything around it. This is simply amazing. Absolutely beautiful, man. Alright guys, thanks for watching.